This is actually Springfield Road, behind the airport tarmac road where airplanes take off and land. I'm actually here to give you a view of how an airplane descends and land actually. So in a few moments you will see an airplane appears on the screen. Yeah. Okay. A small blinker light over there. The airplane is far behind. I think it's a Boeing aircraft. It's actually coming closer here. You can see it now. Very high momentum, very high speed now. It's actually landing, so the speed must be not equal to it's a DHL airline. Yeah, okay, it's landed.